How's it going, guys? It's Gab Moose, and I'm bringing you another tutorial. This time it's on Keynote. I'm going to be showing you how to make thumbnails on it, and it's a free app you can get in the Apple Store. I'm not sure if you can use it for Windows, but this is more directed at Mac users. And yeah, let's just get right into it, guys. So when you first load into the app, it's going to show just this black screen. And obviously for your thumbnail, you're not going to want this as your background. So to get up to the point I'm at now, I just dragged these images in from my desktop. Literally just drag it in and it's in there. So very first thing you're going to want to do is go to Document, which is in the top right. Click on Document, and you're going to want to go down to Slide Size and change you're going to change the size to match the thumbnail size for YouTube. And you want to click Custom Slide Size, and you click that, and then I'm going to change it to the standard size for thumbnails for YouTube, which is 1280 by 720, and I'll do that, and yeah, perfect. So that's done. So once that's done, guys, you're just going to want to resize your background so there's not a bunch of black space around it, basically, and you just want to fill in all the black areas, which is pretty straightforward. And then yeah, after this, I'm going to show you how to add text and also how to get rid of the white spots in the pictures to make it look nice. So yeah, and yeah, guys, you're going to want to go to text right up here on the top, and you add that in, and you can kind of play around with the sizing. Oh, oops, play around. Yeah, make it the bar a bit bigger so you have more room. And yeah, and then once you have the text selected, just kind of want to select it and go to Format, and no, wait, sorry, and go to there. So yeah, you select Format, and yeah, you can change the size of your text. Like if I want to change the font, I like to use American typewriter. Change this to American typewriter. And this is going to be a crappy thumbnail, but I'm using the same app to make the thumbnail in this video, so you can just get an idea of the quality of it. And there's obviously people who do better jobs of thumbnails than me, but yeah. So yeah, so so you can change the font. So if I write cool, that goes in there. You can change the size that you want. If I want 100, I can. Well, you have to make sure it's highlighted first, and then you can do 100. So yeah, it's bigger. And yeah, just mess around with that. And you can also change the color and everything with the text. And yeah, guys, if you want to change get rid of the white background for an image you're adding in, you want to go to the top here. All right, guys, I cut the video because I forgot how to do something. So yeah, so like I was saying, if you want to get the white areas out of a picture you add or logo, you just go to the top. It'll say alpha, but if you haven't used it before, you'll have to find it yourself. So what you're going to want to do is right click on the top and go to customize toolbar, and you just find it in here and you can add it to your toolbar. And once that's done, you just click on alpha, and you can literally go over and just kind of drag on the areas that you want to get rid of. Oh, sorry, first you have to select the image and then click on it, and then yeah, and then you can do it. So yeah, I want the white spots out, so just click on that, get rid of that, and same for this corner, and the exact same for this corner. And yeah, so once that's done, you just click done, and white area is gone. And once your thumbnail is all ready to go, in order to save the thumbnail, you just hit play at the top here, and you're going to want to screenshot it. So for Mac, the screenshot command is Shift Command 4, and yeah, you literally just screenshot it, and that's it, guys. And that's a terrible thumbnail, but it just I just wanted to give a tutorial, and that's literally it. And it'll just save to your computer, and you can upload to YouTube, guys. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, be sure to like and subscribe. And I make other content as well. I make Call of Duty videos and Minecraft videos and other tutorials. So yeah, feel free to check that out, guys, and thanks for watching.